Alright guys, welcome to the Linux Panic channel. Please ensure that you are subscribed. Alright, before the video even start, I want you guys to like the video. Alright, so today we are going to put some multiple choice. Let's go. Alright, so the first one says negative 3 squared plus negative 2 squared is equal to. So negative square root multiply number by itself. Multiply the negative that's positive. So first answer. What percentage of 40 is 8? So it's 8 over 40 times 100. Put into that 5, and then you cancel 5 into itself 1, and 5 into this 20. That would be 20%. So for B, number 2, it says if 235 times 48.7 is equal to 11,445.5, then 23.5 times 0.487 equal. Now all we have to do is count the number of decimal places. So we have 3 here and 1 left. That means this should be the answer, which is 11.445. That's supposed to have 4 decimal places. This one says using distributive property, 49 times 7 plus 49 times 30 is equal to. So 49 is common, so we take out that. And we can add this and this. So we multiply. So 17 plus 3 gives us 20. In this case, 80 says a boy scored a test was marked out of 80. A boy scored 60% of the marks and guess how many marks did he score? See, this is a kind of a giveaway. It should be 48, just judging by the numbers. Just over 50%, which is 40. But let's work it out. So he said that he scored mark out of 80, so it will be x out of 80. So what you would have got the mark, right? Whatever you get out of 80 times 100%. And that should equal to 60. So we're going to multiply by 80 because it is the inverse of what's happening. Alright, so 60 times 80. 100 is being divided, multiplied, so we're going to divide, let's take the inverse. If you like what, you just write it, please. And then we multiply 6 times 8 is equal to 48. So for this one, 48. Right, when I go up top now, so number, I'm making number then guys, plus other questions. So you guys are encouraged to try, hit the like button. This one said Dan sold 40 concerts in 5 days. Each day he sold 3 tickets more than the previous day. The number of tickets he sold on the third day is, Alright, so let us put things in the perspective. So let us say the first day, you know how many cells we sell X. Second day, we sell X plus 3. Third day, because remember it's gonna sell 3 more. So we just go in the bam, multiples of 3, that's the third day. Fourth day, X plus 9. And the fifth day, because it's 5 days, that is X plus 2. And this must total to what? So let's put it in perspective. Like it's 5 days, so that's 5x. So out of all the x, that should give us 5x. Let's add the rest now. 3 and 6, 980. 3 and 3, 6, 980. 18 and 12, 30. So all we have to do is just solve this equation and we get how many is sold on the very, very first day. Notice that's not the answer yet, it's the first day. So it's 40 minus 20. So on the first day, sold 10 divided by 5. So on the first day, he sold 2. Alright, so for the first day, he sold 2. So this is how many he sold. On the third day, say 1. This was what he sold on the first day. So the first day, he sold 2. Second day, 5. And the third day, he sold a total of 8. Which of the following set is defined by x is a real number, negative 2, less than or equal to x, negative positive 4. So it ranges from negative 2. Once we have this, it means that it should be included. So we're going to include negative 2 and we're going to include positive 4. So these are kind of a giveaway also, so that it will be. Let's look at this one now. It says if Q is equal to ABC, how many subsets can be obtained from set Q? And that would be, formula for this is 2 raised to the number of elements in the set. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3. That's 2 to the third, works out to 8. Number 9 says, let's go and say, set of positive integers is an example of is it A, a finite set, B, an empty set, C, an infinite set, or an improper set. And that would be C, an infinite set. There's no ending in the number of positive integers. Alright, the number in U is 25, number in A is 40, number in B is 50, and A intersect B. And A union B, so A union B, the number in A plus the number in B, and then minus the intersection. So that is very straightforward. So let's put things in perspective. That's what 25 plus 40 and then minus 6. That's 29 minus 6 works out to 23. Alright guys, hit the like button if you're just joining. If you're not a subscriber, do so now so you can get access to my latest videos on my free live classes. Let's go, let's go. If you want to be a part of my class, call my number is up the top, 876-549-2161. Alright, let's go. So let's look at this one now. I think I need to put it down a little smaller. Welcome back, guys. So you're watching the Lennox Phoenix channel. Hit the like button right away for me now, please. Hit the like button. Alright. So this is my number. You can WhatsApp me. Be a part of my awesome class. Alright, so number 11 said the shaded region represents, so as you can see, all of it is shaded except for P. That will be P complement, so that's P. 30 students in teacher means class of either a dog or a cat or none of the two. 16 students have a dog. 12 students have a cat. And the remainder have neither a cat nor a dog. So, which of the following Venn diagram below correctly represents this information? So no person that have a dog have a cat. So I think that's the key. So you can see that there's a disjoint. So alright, let's go. Let's move on to 13. It says a bank in EC, Eastern Caribbean, $2.60 is equivalent to US $1. For every US $1 exchange, EC 10 cent is deducted as an exchange fee. How much EC dollars will Leon receive if he exchange US $100? So it's very straightforward, but it can be a little bit tricky. So we could just write all the information. This is the key. 1 US. I use a figure for that one. Is equal to $2. The right button if you're just joining. So that's $2. So that's the first step. That means 100 US you multiply, right? Because if 1 give you 2, 100 will give you 2.6 times. Yes, limited. And that gives us $160. However, that is not the answer. This is the total money you're gonna get east or the Eastern Caribbean. So what we have to do now, we have to deduct the $1, the 10 cent EC for exchange for every, notice I say, for every dollar. Every $1 exchange, 10 cents. Alright, so it was 100 US. So we're gonna take 100 times 10 cents, and that should give us 10. So this is what is gonna be $10. So it will be 250. That will be our answer. Number 7. If 7,000 is borrowed at a rate of 5% per annum for 3 years, the simple interest is. So we have to work out that. We can go work with black. That's so far. My computer is a bit laggy. Alright, so simple interest is equal to E times T, which is the principal. Guys, want to write the video so the video can go viral, you know. You can get the complete question. So that. Alright, so it's 7,000. Time is 3 years, and the 5% represents the rate, so that's 5 over 100. Then cancel from 5 over 100. 7 times 3, 21. So that's 210. 210 times 5. And that's 1,050. So our dress cost $180. It's being sold at a discount of 10%. The amount of discount is, so how we do it? Find 10%. Just the discount you are finding. Notice how C6 can be a picture. So divide by 10, no, can divide 10 into that, that's 8. So to $18. Notice it's about discount amount. Not how much you're paying for this or anything. An article bought for $125 was sold for $175. The profit as a percentage of the cost price was. Alright, so first we could find out how much of the profit. The profit will be how much money you make for your money. So you buy for $125, you can make it sell for $175. You make it as a percentage, profit as a percentage of the cost price. So notice they are very specific cost price. So it's 50. That's the profit of the cost price, 125. Work down this also what it look like. So wow. Never use 25. 25 into this at 2. 25 into this 5 times, right? 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 100. So 2 times 2. It was 4. Alright guys, hit the like button. If you just joined, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now before the video ends. Alright, so you can get access to more videos. Let's move on to 7. The value of a plot of land is 18,000. Land tax is charged at a rate of 0.70 cents per $100. What is the total amount of tax paid for the land? Alright, so let us, first thing I would want to see, let's say give us the rate of 100. We're gonna convert this by finding out how many hundred is in this. That's my reason. Type in the comment section. There are different reasons. Wow, that's 180, and it told us that it's multiplied by 70. I'm gonna put the 70 first, and then I'll put the decimal point, right? 7 first. So, oh, let's see answer 700, 7856. Once you have a 6 in there, you guys can multiply it though. Alright. The simple interest on $900 for 3 years was $108. What was the rate of interest? So we look at a simple interest over there. So, but this one is a bit different. Alright, so let's go. Guys, there's a part 2 to this video. I'm not gonna do all of that. So simple interest. So we go to part 2. Simple interest equal P times T. I look at that over there. So I shouldn't have to do this again. However, I want to just for you guys. Alright. Hit the like button for that now, guys. So notice they gave us the simple interest. So the simple interest 108. So we'll make mistake and we'll put this as the rate. Alright. And then now then you put in the rest, which is 900 times 3. When I use R to represent the rate, since we don't know what R represents. And from there, you can just transpose. Limited space, man, limited space. So it's 108 times 100. As you transposing, so once it's being divided, so it's 100 being divided, so multiply, and then we'll do the opposite. So we're going to divide by these. So it's what? 3 times 900. do some calculation. Boom. Boom. 9 into 1 over 1. That's 12, right? And then 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the rate would be 4%. Sorry about this space, guys. The space is really limited, but I hope you guys listen to the words. Alright, so it says, at the end of a year, a car is worth 5% less than what it's worth at the beginning of the year. If a car is worth 9,500 in December 26, then its value in January was. So notice what the value at the start of the year. I think I want to do this. Alright, so that means notice what they give us. They give us at the start of the year. So at the end of the year, it was worth 95. So basically, what they're saying that is 95%. This represent 95%. The answer is going to represent, yeah. So let's say it will be 95% of a number. We don't know what the number is. So we'll call it 1. And that is equal to 95. As remember, the take will be 5% of the n to get this. Alright, so we just transpose. So that's 95. Transpose again. This is times 100. This is inverse, and you'll divide by 95. No, 1 more 0, sorry. Alright, so 95, so we divide by 95, 95 is 1, that gives 100. It's 100 times 100 is equal to 10,000. Let's go now. Number 20. So it says a man's regular pay is $3 per hour up to 40 hours. Overtime is twice the payment for regular time. If he's paid $216, how much hours of overtime did he work? Alright, so let us, with math, we always start with what we know. We know that he works $3 per hour, 40 hours. So calculate that first. Because anything over this means that it's overtime. Alright, so let's see how much money you get overtime. So this is 3 times 40 is 120. So he gets $120, but his total pay was $260. So let us subtract it and see how much overpay. Overtime I do that, you know, the amount of give it to you. It's a 6. It's a $96. So you earn 96 from overtime. But remember, they say that the overtime rate is twice the payment of regular time. So if you pay $3 for regular, that means overtime is $6 because that's twice, right? So he's being paid $6 for overtime. So let's go. So we're going to divide this 96 by 6, and that should give us a number of hours that goes that, right? 6 into that goes 1 time 616. Subtract the 2, carry down the 6. 36, 6 into 36. So he did 60 hours of overtime. Hit the like button to Mr. Bennett, my guys. Hit the like button, man. If you're not subscribed to that now, come on, let's go share. Tell a friend, share a friend. Go on with it. I put the man thing, large enough peeps. Alright? Yeah, we've got 2,000 likes on the video. Alright, so now 21 says 1 over 5x plus 2 over 3x is equal to. What's the answer for this, guys? So it's an algebraic fraction. We're going to simplify how we can solve for this, right? So when you're adding, you must find the LCM. LCM of 5 and 3 will be 15. So that's 15x from there we can just divide into this. We 3, so we multiply again 3. Every time I do a mistake, hit the like button, please. 3 into this, please. 5. So 2 5 is 10. So that's 30. Don't see that option. They must be that. Okay. So that's B. Alright. 22 says 7 times the product of two numbers A and B may be winners. So 7 times the product of two numbers. Okay. This is not a calculation. A. So it says 7 times the product of two numbers A and B. So A times B and then 7 times the product. So that's it. 23. I've seen this one before. What is the value of x squared plus 3y over divided by xy if x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2? Hit the right button of each one. So both. So that's 4 squared plus 3 times 2 of 1 4 times 2. So I'm going to simplify it. Yeah, but I'll do it by right. Yeah. So 4 4 16 plus 6 3 2 6 4 2 6. So that's 22 over 8. Alright, so how many 2s you can get over that 22? You have to do 2, 8 to 16, so that leaves 6 over 8. Alright, so 2 and 6 over 8. Alright, so it's not there. So that means they simplify this. So divide this by 2 and this by 2. So that's what it is. Alright, let's go guys. Let's go with the like button. Alright, I have to go up back side. So we are close guys, we're not rush up. If 5 bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to 35, then x is equal to, so how we do? Substitute. We could substitute these figures if they give you guys. We can do it, but we know if we remove bracket, 5 times 2, that's 10x. 5 times negative 1, that's negative 5. So we get rid of this, so that's going to give us 10x. 35. As I said guys, there will be a part 2, so you guys come and check that out, alright? Plus 5. So that's 10x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. So on 25. John has X marbles and Max has Y's marble as John. Max gives John 5 of his marbles. How many marbles does John don't have? So it says John had X marbles. Max gives John 5, so that's X plus 5. This is pretty straightforward. Let's move on to 26. Hit the like button guys, subscribe if you have not subscribed. If A is equal to 3 and AB is equal to 6. So I'm going to find out the value. The value would have been 2. The value of B would have been 2. Alright, so that's 3 squared of A minus 2 squared. That's 9 minus 4. This one is pretty easy, so that's 5. Let's move on to the matrices 27. If A is equal to that, then the order, okay. So it's row first by column. So we have 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. So we have 3 rows. And then we have columns up and down. 1, 2, 4 columns. So it's 3 by 4. So you have to read these carefully because you answer very carefully so you don't do 4 by 3. So it's row by column. determinant of an identity matrix is, what's an identity matrix? 1, 0, 0. Right? That's the identity matrix. I want the determinant. This is really tough. So it's 1 times 1, that's 1 minus. Because remember, we are finding the determinant. It's AC minus BC. So that's 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. I think we're in class, I would say that was 0. You know? People were hold on. I need to correct my students. If the vectors P and Q are 3, 2 and negative 1, 1 respectively, then P minus 2Q is alright, vector dot alright, so P is equal to 3, 2, so not another to P, so not put that. However, we're gonna minus 2 times 2, so we're gonna multiply this by 2. So 2 times that, negative 2 times 4. Group them now. Top to top, 3 minus 2 and 2 minus. Alright, we can further simplify to see 3 plus 2 and 2 minus. That will give us 3 plus 2 is 5 and 2 minus 8 is negative. So that will be D. Item 30, to the following diagram of the triangle OLM, which R is the midpoint of OL and T is the midpoint of OM. OR, so that's the most important, the direction O from O to R is A, and OT, the direction of this. Alright, so that means I'll say if this is a midpoint, that means that this will be also A, B, and this will be B, right? That's a midpoint, so that means I see a measurement. That's all the needs in a guy. Alright, we're gonna look for RM from R to M, so we're gonna go here and go there. So this going in this direction first. We're going against the arrow, so that's minus A, and then we're going all the way, so it's gonna be plus 2. You know, with vectors, they don't like to stick out the negative here, so it will be 2 minus A. So just be right, 2 minus A. Hit the right button now, guys. Make sure you have to watch the entire video, alright? Alright, so we are at 31 now. Let's go, guys, let's go. So far, so good. Alright, it says given that 1 millimeter is equal to 1,000 of a meter, 2,500 millimeter is, all this is saying that take 1,000 millimeter rather, to make 1 meter. So then smart, guys, this is smart. So 2,500 millimeter. You know, meter that be 2.5, but never divide by 1,000, so that's 2.5. We're not spending a long time on the name, right? How many kilograms are there in a ton? And that is 1,000. Google it there, Google it. Alright, 32, 33 now. Thank you guys for watching. Just put me in this video. Alright guys, so let's go. That's my name. Alright. And guys, if you want class 87654926161, remember marathon coming up for the exams in Feb C6 again. Alright? Alright, so let's move on to 33. Item 30 to the following diagram of a trapezium PQRS Area of the trapezium PQRS is. So how do we find the area of a trapezium? So we can do. Alright, we're gonna do it. So we're gonna add A plus B. So x is what is A and what is divided by 2 and we're going to divide it. It's pretty straightforward. Alright. So this side, any side can be A, and this side. We now want to name the smaller side. So add these, so it will be 8 plus 18. Divide by 2 and then times it by 5. So look at those three styles. 8 plus that 26 divided by 2, so that's 13 by 5. So that would give us 65. Alright, so let's move on to 34. At a party, a number of guests were served 50 liters of champagne. Each guest had 2 glasses of champagne. That sounds like where I should be instead of here now, right? If you like what now, guys, I'm not encouraging you. Each guest had 2 glasses of champagne, and each glass held 150 milliliters. Assuming no spillage, how many guests were at the party? So first, what I would do is to convert this to milliliters. Alright, so we take 1000 milliliter to make this, so it would be 15 times 1000. So in all, I would get 15,000 milliliters. So that's my first approach. They gave us some information. Let's see what they gave us. They told us that each guest had 2 glasses, that each glass was 150. So that means that each person had drink 150 times 2. We have 1 man champagne popping everywhere we go. Alright, so that's 300. Each person is gonna get 300 milliliters. All I have to do is just divide this by 300. Let's go. It's 300 rather. Well, so that's alright. So there was 50 guests. Big up to them 50 guests there. Hit the like button now, guys. Hit the like button. The perimeter of a square is 56 centimeters. Was in this area. I'm going to give this in my prep class to my prep students this morning. I will make you guys know how they did it. So basically, a square has all 4 sides equal. So if everything add up to 56, we just divide it by 4. So 4 into that 1, that makes 1 right. So and 4, 4, 16. So one side of 14. So the area of a square is 14 times 14. 4, 4, 16. So it's 196. 36. The circumference of a circle is 154 centimeters square, given that pi is 20/70, the diameter of the circle is. Alright, so the circumference. The circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Hit the like button up, peeps, if you're just joining. Like for part 2. You got the entire St. Mary's College family. I know you guys appreciate this test. Circumference. Why am I writing about circumference? So the circumference was 1. So that was given. So we know that it's supposed to be 1. Right? So that's 1, 4. And let's say take pi to the 20/7. So it's 2 times 20/7. And find the radius first. Alright. So that'll be pi d, but you don't know. So it's 154 times 7. And then divide by 2 times 20. Alright, so 2 into this, 1 into this, 7, carry 1, that's 77. We're going to divide by 11 now. So 11 into this goes 2 times, 11 into this goes 7 times. What the hell? What did I do? Yeah, you're right. 2 into this. 2 into 2, 1, 2 into that, 77. So it's 7. 7 times 7, that's what? 49. That's 49 divided by 2. Oh, maybe something wrong. Sure. Space so limited something right. So it's the transpose, right? So bound. So it's 154 times 7 by 2 times 2. Alright, so bound. It's a 1 and then it's 7, 7. 2 into 1, 54, 77. Then we divide by 7. 11 rather, so we get 11 into that goes 7 times, 11 into this goes 2 times. So we get 7, 7, 49, which work out to 24.5. So that means the answer would be 49. So the diameter is actually 49. Remember, it's pi d. Alright, let's move on to 37. Why this just feel wrong? Alright, so the answer for that would be 49. It's correct because 49 times 3 or 1 and something close to this. And it's supposed to be the diameter 3 times. Circumference are 3 times and the diameter, that's how you get pi. So it's correct. Alright, let's move on to this one now. Item 37. Referring to the following diagram, which consists of a triangle and a square, side 7. Alright, so that means it knows that these are 7. So that means that these are 5, 5, 5, 5. Because if the total area of the diagram is 63 centimeters square, what is the value of each of the triangle? Alright, so this would be 49 centimeters square. And everything our 63, so it will be 63 minus 49 over 12. Or not 12, 9 to 4. So that's 40. So this is supposed to be 40. So that means the entire thing is supposed to be 28 by 5. So it's so it's half the base times the height. So it's cool. So this is supposed to work out to 40. So 7 times what? Because it's 40. 7 times each divided by 2. 40. So transpose is actually 7 multiply 2 times the 40 you get 28. And then divide by 7. So that means this would be 4. Let me see something. Right. Okay, sometimes you need to double check them, right? In exam, that's all the approach I want you guys to see. Double check them all the time. And leaving Trinidad, the time on a pilot's watch was 2300 hours. When he arrived in his destination in the same time zone, the next day showed 3 hours. How many hours? Right. So basically, in 11 o'clock, you reach 3 o'clock. So it's a PM and it's a AM, right? And so the next day. So bam. We need 1 hour to make 12, so that's 4 hours. Hit the like button, guys, for part 2. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna stop at exactly at part 1. So watch part 2. Alright. Miss Clark arranged 15 test scores of her students in order of size and select 8 score for reporting purposes. Which of the following statistical measure did Miss Clark obtain? Oh, so that would be the median, middle number, right? Almost slightly there. I was wondering why. Alright. So let's move on to, we're gonna stop exactly at 41. This is funny. Know why? Guys, like for part, right? The 41 to 40 to 41 to find that we have shown the frequency of a curve of the mark of 200 students who took a driving test. Median mark produced by the 200 students is, so the median is, so what's the median mark? So we have 1, 2, 5. So that's 1, 2, 5. So that's 2.5. If we get this correct, it's a mark of so 100 students. Median mark should be there. So that will be 37.5. I don't reach 40, right? The highest mark scored on the test was, so 200. So this would be the highest mark, possible mark. Yes. So it's a 6. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please ensure that you like the video. If you are not subscribed, please ensure that you are subscribed. If you are not in my class, this is my number. Very cheap rates available. Marathon coming up. Please ensure that you're a part of those. A very cheap rate too. Very nice class also. So I don't know the ships already. The number is also on my channel, so you guys can check it. Alright. So that's when it's all without you guys then